Action verbs with meanings and examples. Accelerate. She decided to accelerate her training for the marathon. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 6 seconds. Analyze. The team will analyze the data to find patterns. We need to analyze the results of the survey carefully. Assist. He was asked to assist with the project deadline. The volunteers will assist the elderly with their shopping. Build. They plan to build a new playground in the park. The company aims to build a stronger brand presence online. Calculate. She needs to calculate the total cost of the supplies. It's essential to calculate the risks before proceeding. Collaborate. The artists will collaborate on a mural for the community center. Scientists often collaborate to tackle complex issues. Communicate. It's important to communicate your ideas clearly. They used charts to communicate their findings effectively. Construct. They will construct a bridge over the river. The team plans to construct a new office building downtown. Critique. The teacher will critique the students' essays this week. Critics often critique films during festivals. Design. She was hired to design the new logo for the company. The architect will design a sustainable home for the family. Develop. He aims to develop new skills in programming. The software team will develop a new application next year. Distribute. They plan to distribute food to the local shelters. The organization will distribute flyers to raise awareness. Educate. The campaign seeks to educate people about recycling. Schools must educate students about digital safety. Eliminate. The company will eliminate outdated practices to improve efficiency. We need to eliminate distractions while studying. Evaluate. The committee will evaluate the proposals next month. It's crucial to evaluate the effectiveness of the new strategy. Execute. They need to execute the plan carefully to avoid mistakes. The chef will execute the recipe flawlessly. Expand. The business hopes to expand into new markets this year. The school plans to expand its curriculum next semester. Facilitate. The mediator will facilitate the negotiation process. Workshops can facilitate better communication among team members. Generate. The new policy aims to generate more jobs in the area. The project will generate significant interest from investors. Implement. The school will implement new teaching methods in the fall. They plan to implement a new software system. Incorporate. They decided to incorporate feedback into the final design. The team will incorporate new technologies into the project. Initiate. He will initiate the project once the funding is secured. The organization will initiate a community outreach program. Investigate. The detective will investigate the case thoroughly. Researchers need to investigate the effects of the treatment. Manage. She will manage the team during the upcoming project. He was promoted to manage the new office. Negotiate. They need to negotiate better terms for the contract. The two companies are trying to negotiate a merger.